Outside or inside? Does the tea help? Not warm so much, clearly, right? Not so much.
Ready? No, honey, the room's not ready yet. Good morning.
Go get him, Hank! Go get him!
How did you make a bag upstairs?
William's man last year. I know, I'm confused. These are guys that have
Go get him, Roy! Go get him!
a hard start. Come on, boys. Come on. It's not a big deal.
In front! In front, Hank!
To beat the blue one, right?
That's yours!
And that's of course would be
Nice work, Adam. Nice work.
Hey, let's go. What do you want? A beer?
Time up. Get in there.
might not be double A. Those guys are in your group. These guys are in your group. So, one of these people in that first place, I want to will be further. We'll all see. The only way they'll end up third is if they
Nicholas, can I
This is not a fair game. This is not a fair game.
This is Flambo Weekend.
Yeah. So Eagles, they got two guys beat. Who's Eagles? They're close to running around the hotel room, right?
Okay.
So they're like two guys deep, one guy up in the slot, two guys in the point, and it's five skaters taking the point.
Yeah, who did this get?
It's not just him. It
says like Milton Unmarked. It says at the bottom.
all the kids are up in the zone, so he wanted to go to bed. Dude, I'm not putting it.
How many people you put your second over there?
Just for fun. Try to take him out since because he's one out.
All right, Rick.
Just gonna start swinging the stick. Hey, one up, sir. Hey, Come on, cheeseburger.
So, and then I live just above the
We run it. I'm the guy from played against nice
We played against, actually played against Fumble last year, and it's still restricted on the other side.
Oh yeah, how was the ball?
He's up in mine. So we were 80. Now we ended up, we got to the semifinals of that 80. Adam E last year. We played against Oakville. Oakville was 83. No, it was ridiculous. It was like, it wasn't even fair.
And there's lost in we can get two. But they're losing third.
So like we had a great scoreboard off the we beat us 14. If we were to figure out one point it's just numbers. It's pure numbers. That has to bring down. This is kids can't find out. He goes, so hopefully it's a triple A. So close to 80 something kids that are invited to college. But invited, right? And so the kids that enter, then those kids try out for the double A. And then there's kids that are invited to try out for the double A team out of the kids that, they might not even ask for the triple A team. So I'm like, and he's like, yeah, I guess there might have been 80 kids trying out for that.
And then there's 20 kids that they need to do art.
Yeah, and then there's another 20 kids that's part of the triple A team. And then there's like, and I'm like, he goes, yeah, he goes, everything is like, we have 12 boys probably. He goes, see the goal in our house? He goes, yeah. I go, we have a goal of him from Bell River. We just don't do that.
So I grew up in Beverly, little town of Rockland. And we always played Bell River in the finals again. And then the J finals. I've got 10 kids I grew up playing with. 10 of us played junior together in Cambridge. 10 kids from our novice team, played 10 of us on the junior team. Oh, nice combo. So now all of us have kids the same age, and now they're all we're close, like Dundas or Flambeau, Burlington for some.
I was laughing because it's kind of almost the same thing here. Like I grew up in Kingsville,
Yeah.
played in Kingsville, and at that time you couldn't go anywhere. You grew up in Kingsville.
Yeah.
It was the peak of AAA for everybody. Unless you moved to Windsor and played in the AAA Center. So it was like we were like, what the heck's going on here?
Good pass.
Those are all kids that
Last year, so he's in November. Last year at 6, he went on the year, couldn't stand it. This year, I knew it's such a difference. He likes going to the rink, having fun, which is best of life, right? That comes from that show. Yeah.
yeah, it's funny how it all works out. I played in the OHL and I played some of the played for Windsor. I played in Toledo, in the East Coast. I played in Bakersfield and
How old are you?
42.
I'll be 39. I was really good.
And I played
My dad would let me go. I was on the wrong track though. I was not heading that proper direction. Because you're gonna end up dead in the ditch. Yeah. Oh, because I don't know all of them, but Mark, I was feeling this year at work.
What do you mean? Which one? The big guy? You, right? Yeah, but yeah, no, the middle. Oh, sorry. The third is he's doing it. So he's still. So I beat right now.
My father-in-law left
I still, like I tried, I'm not coaching this year, but I coached the last 4 years.
the older kid or this kid?
Well, no, the older kid. So no. Getting this kid a play.
You gotta do that, right? It's so hard. I have such a tough time keeping my shut, but I just wanted to
Mine's not the kids. Mine's the refereeing guys involved. Because I'm like, and especially with the older guys that are like, last year, the 1 year. And I was like, I'm not here. It's horrible. And he's like, I go, sorry, but you want me to shut up? I said, you need to get in a position where you're supposed to be and shut up. It's a big problem. I said, if you don't.
There's the door open. It's open. And he's just sitting on the corner waiting for the show the last time. He's just standing waiting to come. He goes, I'll stand here all day.
since the first game or whatever. They've never played any other position than what they are right now. They're playing today. I enjoy
Ice here, lemonade.
You get nothing. Come on for lunch in 10 minutes. It's better because ours is all sugar.
I like to say
Oh, there's an overall game winner point too?
shutout points. So basically 5 points. 2 for the lead.
dad come? Who's dad? What? Oh. It's probably like 20 to nothing or something. Because they don't put the time, they don't want to rub it in, maybe. So then let's stop counting.
You just got a very fancy shoes.
Where'd you guys get here? Just got here. Y'all ready to go tonight? Should be a good week tonight. Good bottle of fucking shit, guys.
Because we're leaving in a minute. We're gonna have lunch. Does it take like 5 minutes to get done? Are we good?
I think there's a light there.
Yeah. You drop the right, and then a quick left. That's called Oak Street. You go down Oak Street, and you go past the high school. First step back on
Can I go one side?